Hello and assalamu alaikum, my dear sibling. How are you all? I hope everybody well, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Muhammad Monin Mia. First of all, I just want to say you very good morning, all guys. Right now, I am here making video from Saudi Arabia desert area. Right now, at this moment, I am here walking on the desert area. You can see behind of me some of drashti, and this drashti is Saudi Arabia drashti on the desert area. Right now I am here walking and taking some of sun hot. Right now at this moment I am walking on the desert area, and I trust this word English is very necessary at this moment in our life. That's why I'm trying to speaking English in front of the public place on the social media, and I always try to follow my brother Ashraful Islam Rubel. He is from his Chokuria Coxbazar. He is very good at English. Right now, at this moment, he also trying, and I am also all time. I always try to follow my Ashraful Islam brother. He is from Chokuria Coxbazar. Actually, at this moment, he is very good speaking English on the social media. I like his video, and he is my actually. You can take it. He is my inspiration. I always try to watch him video, and dear guys, I think at this moment, English is very necessary, and I trust from my heart. And right now, and you know, guys, education is the backbone in the nation. Right now, I am walking. You can see I'm walking on the desert area in the morning time. Very good morning, all guys. Very good morning, all. I trust this word. Education is the backbone in the nation. Education is the backbone in the nation. And right now, I am walking and speaking English. I think it is the very good and walking exercise. I just want to say you that walking exercise is very nice exercise. That's why I am here walking in front of the desert area, and snail is very nice. Dear guys, I don't like to prolong in this video. I will meet all of you next another video. Assalamu alaikum, guys.